this video, I'll show you how to blur shapes in Canva. Let's begin. Open Canva and create a new project. Go to the Elements tab. Navigate to the Shapes section and click See All. Find a shape you like and click to add it to your page. Let's use this shape as an example. Go to Share, click Download, and save the shape as an image. Drag the downloaded image back onto your page. Delete the original shape. Adjust the image size to match your page dimensions. Click Edit Image on the toolbar. Under Effects, click Blur. Select Whole Image, then adjust the blur intensity using the slider. And that's it. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.